Hello everyone, Christmas is just around the corner and I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Today I'm making shrimp and asparagus stir-fry spaghetti for this special holiday. It's a fragrant dish that brings Western ingredients together with Chinese flavors. Let me show you how I make it. We start with 240 grams of shrimp, already cleaned, deveined, and patted dry. Then season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well so the cornstarch lightly coats the shrimp. Then add a teaspoon of sesame oil and give another gentle mix. Once the shrimp is marinated, we can start preparing the vegetables. I'm using 250 grams of asparagus. Cut the asparagus on a diagonal into pieces about 1/2 inches long. Then prepare 160 grams of mushrooms. Slice them into even pieces about 1/2 centimeter thick, but not too thin. Then we prepare 80 grams of shallot. Cut them in half lengthwise, place the cut side down and slice it evenly. I recommend you guys using shallots instead of onion because they taste a lot better. Finally, prepare the garlic. Lightly smash 5 cloves of garlic and then roughly chop them. No need to mince too finely. Now that everything is prepared, let's make the stir-fry sauce. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, and 1/8 white pepper powder. I also add 3 tablespoons of chicken broth to give the noodles a bit more moisture when stir frying, and then mix everything well. Along with the sauce, prepare 1 teaspoon of chili oil. This chili oil isn't meant to make the dish spicy, but for the extra aroma and richness. With the sauce ready, let's move on to the noodles. I'm using thin spaghetti, any brand works. We need 220 grams of dry spaghetti. This package says 6 to 7 minutes for al dente, but since we're stir frying, we just cook 1 minute less. Now let's cook the noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil, and then season it with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we add the spaghetti and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Or you can also taste the noodle to see if they are almost done or not. Once the noodles are ready, drain them in a colander and add 1 tablespoon of oil and toss them lightly and to keep the noodles from sticking. And finally, it's time to start cooking. Heat a pan with a little bit oil over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add the shrimp and spread them out in a single layer. Once you see the bottom start to turn pink, flip the shrimp over. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of sake or cooking wine to add a little fragrance. Cook them briefly and then remove and set aside. Now let's cook the mushrooms. Add a little bit of oil to the pan over medium heat. Then we add the mushrooms and spread them out evenly. Let them cook first so they release some moisture and start to soften. Then we season with a pinch of salt and sugar and continue cooking till the mushrooms are very soft and slightly darker in color. Then remove them from the pan and set aside. Now let's cook the asparagus. Add some oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, add the asparagus and give it a quick stir. Cook till the asparagus turns bright green, then season with a small pinch of salt and sugar. And stir fry briefly, and then we add 1 tablespoon of stir fry sauce and give a quick toss. Remove from the pan. Now we are ready for the final stir fry. Add some oil to the wok. Then add the garlic and sauté till fragrant. Then add the shallots and cook till they soften and become aromatic. Then we add the chili oil and let the aroma come out. Then we add the noodles and quickly toss them so they are coated with all the aromatics. At this point, add about half of the stir-fry sauce and toss to coat the noodles evenly. Then we return the shrimp, mushrooms, and asparagus to the wok and toss everything together. Once everything is well mixed, then add the remaining sauce and give it a final toss till evenly coated. Taste and adjust with a little bit salt if needed. Here I add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we finish with a teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it one final toss and the noodles are ready to serve. This dish is well balanced with protein, vegetables, and quality carbohydrates. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe for more easy recipes. And I see you next one.